All right, y'all. So I'm coming on here quick and excited. And I did a thing, okay? And this is the thing. I made my first ever ebook. I just sat down in the presence of the Lord, and the wisdom and the knowledge that He has imparted into me. And there's still so much left that I need to learn. I'll always be learning and receiving from Him, always. The Lord allowed me to make this ebook, and it's an introduction to successful dating as a godly woman without compromise, and also without settling as well. So I made this book to encourage my sisters in Christ, the women here and everywhere, that you can find a nice, godly man. It just takes learning yourself. It takes about learning about God and His love for you. And it takes faith and prayer, and it's just like a nice formula of all these great things. And I'm super excited for you guys to check out the book. You guys can check out the link in the description section of this video, and in the comment section it talks about it's under the same link as my coaching session. So check it out. It's only $10 US dollars. So check it out. It's exciting. There's an interactive version like the one I just showed you, and there's also a PDF one. So whichever one kind of makes you feel more, whatever, go for it. And I hope you guys enjoy it. It's been such a blessing. Let me know your feedback on it. Once you purchase the book, a link will be sent to the email on file for you, and either a link or a PDF. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think. God bless you guys. And ladies, let's get into it. This is part 1, so stay tuned for the rest. All right. I love you all so much, and you have a very blessed day.